We have orders to move and destroy German defensive position. Alright. By the way, we only have a single tank. We'll make it count. Come on, let's go. Tank, destroy that machine gun position. Alright, fire. Alright, come on, let's move up. Damn, they got us tank. Move with me. The Germans retreating, let's go. Alright. You called it for us, sir? Yeah. I need you to go up there and check if there's a new German ambush waiting for us. Alright, understood. Oh, maybe we should clear it. Oh, God. Move out the way. Haha, take that, you metal can. Commander Hal, I think we should return back to base. Our numbers are getting low. I agree. Tell them to pack up. We're gonna start moving. Understood. Hello, Lieutenant. Hello, Commander. What do you need from me? I need you to attack a village held by the Germans. Afterwards, you'll move to a forest. It has multiple bunker emplacements, minefields, and other obstacles that you might have to face. Understood, General. Thank you for the insight. Good luck. Thank you. Firefly! Alright, it's clear. Let's start moving now. They breached through. Come on, let's go. Nice job destroying the Germans here. Alright, thank you. But we're still gonna have to move on to the forest. Get everybody ready. Understood.